Hi, my name is Aknur, and I believe that three main priorities for global citizenship education in Kazakhstan are: firstly, educating women on human rights, because even today women are being bride kidnapped into unwanted marriages and are also being discriminated at the workplace by being paid less than men at the same position. Secondly, we need to be educating people with special needs, because today people with special needs do not hold decent jobs because they never get good education. And by giving them these chances, we'll be able to increase the amount of people who are globally and socially aware. Third group of people are kids, and I think that educating kids on sustainable development goals at early age and letting them know what global citizenship ideas are, we will be able to build a stronger future. We will be able to solve international problems through local actions by youth and by us.